Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Hi, I'm Maya, bringing you today's headlines.
And I'm Daniel. It's Wednesday, August 19th.
Google has made a significant move by acquiring a large amount of data from the now-defunct Spirit Airlines for $10 million. They outbid Mercor, which had offered $7.5 million.
That's right. The acquisition includes 100 million emails, 500 million Microsoft Teams chats, and 30 million lines of code. All of this is aimed at enhancing Google's artificial intelligence models and products.
And importantly, the data is de-identified to protect personal information. It focuses on productivity and collaboration data, like emails and chats, as well as workflow and process data from departments such as human resources and marketing.
Plus, it includes Spirit Airlines' internally developed software and applications, complete with source code and documentation. This underscores the growing demand for fresh data among AI developers to avoid data exhaustion and maintain the quality of their training models.
Google's spokesperson emphasized their commitment to data privacy and security, noting that the data will be rigorously scrubbed of any personally identifiable information before use. According to a report by Search Engine Land, ChatGPT has become the leading destination for paid clicks from Google, surpassing all other top sites.
This really highlights the growing influence and popularity of ChatGPT. Advertisers are increasingly directing their budgets towards it, recognizing its potential to attract a significant number of users.
The report suggests a broader trend where businesses are looking to capitalize on ChatGPT's ability to engage users effectively. It's becoming a major player in the online advertising space.
Absolutely. This shift in advertising strategy reflects a move towards platforms that offer high engagement and visibility. ChatGPT's prominence in attracting paid clicks from Google is a testament to its expanding user base.
A recent survey by Talker Research for WordPress VIP highlights a significant trust gap in AI-generated search results.
The survey, which included 2,000 respondents, found that 74% of enterprise decision-makers prioritize AI discoverability. Yet, only 17% consider their own websites as their top investment.
Consumers are increasingly skeptical of AI-generated content. 86% seek the original source after reading an AI summary, and 42% trust AI-generated search results the least when there's no clear attribution.
And 61% of consumers can't name a single brand that effectively uses AI in its messaging, while 60% find AI-driven brand messaging off-putting. This shows a disconnect between brands' efforts to enhance AI visibility and consumers' desire for authenticity.
The survey underscores the need for businesses to focus on building trust through clear attribution and reliable sources, rather than solely relying on AI for visibility.
Brands must reassess their strategies to ensure they meet consumer expectations for proof and authenticity.
The European Union's Artificial Intelligence Act is set to be fully enforced by 2026, and it's placing new demands on customer experience leaders. One of the key requirements is transparency and accountability in AI systems.
That's right. Companies using AI-driven tools like chatbots must ensure these systems comply with the Act's disclosure rules. This means they need to clearly communicate when customers are interacting with AI rather than a human.
And they also have to provide explanations of how decisions are made by these systems. The Act aims to protect consumers by ensuring they are informed and can trust the AI technologies they encounter.
For customer experience leaders, this involves not just technical adjustments, but also strategic planning to integrate these requirements into their operations. The challenge is balancing compliance with maintaining a seamless customer experience.
As the deadline approaches, organizations are urged to assess their current AI implementations and make necessary changes to meet the new standards. It's a significant shift that underscores the growing importance of ethical AI practices.
Companies that fail to adapt may face penalties, highlighting the critical role of customer experience leaders in navigating these changes effectively.
In Southeast Asia, influencer platforms are reshaping how audience intelligence is gathered and interpreted. They're moving beyond just visibility metrics, like views and likes, to a deeper understanding of consumer behavior.
These platforms, powered by artificial intelligence, are transforming consumer insights and social commerce by analyzing interactions such as comments, shares, and live stream questions. It's a shift that allows insights teams to discern trust, relevance, and purchase intent.
The region's diverse languages, cultures, and mobile-first habits make it a rich ground for audience intelligence. Countries like Indonesia and Thailand are showing strong adoption of live stream commerce.
The Southeast Asia influencer marketing platform market is projected to grow significantly, from over $1.5 billion in 2026 to nearly $8 billion by 2032. This reflects a need to understand digital consumer behavior.
Smaller creator communities often provide the most revealing insights, highlighting local language cues, trust triggers, and category-specific expectations. AI tools are essential in organizing this unstructured data into themes.
This evolution points to a future where search, social behavior, and shopping journeys are more interconnected, emphasizing the importance of turning creator conversations into actionable intelligence.
OpenAI has rolled out new security policies to boost the safety of its artificial intelligence models during development and testing. They're really focusing on detailed monitoring, alignment, and security to stay ahead of potential risks.
This comes after a security breach involving Hugging Face in July. Although OpenAI states these changes aren't just a reaction to that incident, they did pause reinforcement learning for 2 weeks after the breach. Now they're back to working on less risky models, but larger projects are still on hold.
Amelia Glaze, OpenAI's vice president of research, mentioned that stricter controls will be applied to more advanced models. The requirements will vary based on the perceived risk, which seems like a smart approach.
OpenAI has faced criticism for network security lapses, so they're implementing stronger network isolation practices to prevent unauthorized internet access. Plus, they've introduced a new monitoring system to track tool actions and activity logs, aiming to issue alerts within 30 minutes if anything suspicious happens.
This new system is expected to increase the compute burden by about 20%. OpenAI plans to release more details on these safeguards and a post-mortem analysis of the breach in future communications.
Maggie Gyllenhaal's short film, Flesh Impact, is set to premiere at the Venice Film Festival this September. It stars Dakota Johnson and Ellen Burstyn as Marilyn Monroe at different ages.
The film was commissioned by Genesis Motor America as part of a marketing strategy for their new SUV. The idea came from a brainstorming session about iconic arrivals, inspired by an AI-generated video of Monroe stepping out of the vehicle.
It's interesting that the film coincides with Monroe's 100th birthday and aims to honor her legacy by giving her a serious role, something she always wanted. Genesis worked with the owners of Monroe's estate to ensure the project was respectful.
Gyllenhaal was chosen to direct because of her experience and artistic vision. The film reflects Genesis's commitment to the arts, aligning with its luxury brand image. After its Venice debut, where Burstyn will receive a Lifetime Achievement Award, the film will continue its festival run before an online release.
Alongside the film, Genesis will conduct a traditional marketing campaign for the SUV, highlighting the vehicle's special nature and the film's unique role in its promotion.
It's a fascinating blend of art and marketing, and I'm curious to see how it all plays out. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in.
Yes. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.